Reddit's Nairobi Diary.
Those people who don't like her, it's okay. Perhaps I also don't like her. It's none of your business. I'm not saying I'm creating room for anybody to be my enemy. And I didn't say I don't like Chacha or Mwaniki. They are my friends. We will work together. But the point is, I'm not turning against Mary Jane.
I don't care if she's depressed. Actually,
You
she's
are
depressed and died.
But
It is, say, around 12 pieces. 4, like 4 on each.
Chunga words zako una kichungi. Acha mdomo yako ikuwe na filters. Weka filters kwa mdomo yako. Know people first so that you can talk about them.
watu wasiniambie huku.
Mwamwezi ni bully. Mimi natoa Mary Jane by the way. Mimi sitakuja hapa juu yenu. Anaongeanga hivyo. Sitakuja hapa juu yenu. Mimi nimekuja hapa. Mimi mtu hawezi ni bully.
Reddit's Nairobi Diary.